I hoped you liked today's nature story. While remembering this story yesterday and recording another story for you, I just wrote a small poetry which I would like to share. It's very relevant today, so definitely get your parents to sit with you and listen to it. There's no title to this poem. I decided not to give it. Maybe you could suggest something. So here goes. Once upon a time, nature told man, all that you see, all that you hear, all that you feel is nature's bountiful. Remember clear. Like a kid in a mall, man pranced around all day. He had fun, roamed around, used the things, and then turned away. This wasn't a mall, nor a summer ball. Nature meant this is your home, a different one, the one open for all. She said, by home I mean keep it well, invite everyone to your special dell. Forget not, the residents are short and tall. Some fly around while some just crawl. Treat them well, you all live here. Ah, but man was said to have a wild party here. I don't need to tell how that party went, but all I know, the other residents into hiding he sent. Mother Nature, she's like your mom, staying behind you always. When upset, delaying her seasons, but then sending them your way. The many signs and signals he missed, until like an angry mom, she grounded us all. It's our me time, standing facing that wall. Well, smart as we are thinking well now, but a promise we need to make that when the grounding's done, we stay in our best behavior. So this mother says, bravo, wow. I had a little help from my children while writing this poem. And then I made a wish. I wish a wish for my children that decades from now, when they tell stories to their children, they can say, long, long ago, there came a scary virus. It shut us all down, but the world came together and we fought it out, and we all lived happily ever after. I wish for a happily ever after for all our children. I hope you liked today's story. Do send me a title for this poem. And I want to give a special thanks to my daughter and son for shooting this video early this morning. Thank you, Adit, and thank you, Kavya. Bye-bye.